Welcome. If you're looking to keep important messages front and center in your Messenger group chats, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to pin messages on a group in Messenger, with all the latest steps you need for 2025. Whether you want to highlight a key announcement, a funny moment, or just make sure no one misses an important update, pinning messages is the way to go. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're signed in and have the latest version installed for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, scroll through your conversations and tap on the group chat where you want to pin a message. This could be your family group, your study squad, or your work team, any group chat where you want to make sure something stands out. Now, scroll through the chat and find the message you want to pin. This could be a text, a photo, or even a link, anything that's important for everyone to see. Once you've found it, press and hold on that message. A menu will pop up with several options. From the menu, tap on More. This will open up additional choices. Look for the pin option and tap it. That's it. The message is now pinned at the top of your group chat, making it super easy for everyone to find, no matter how busy the conversation gets. Pinning messages is a great way to keep everyone on the same page. Whether you're sharing meeting times, event details, or just a friendly reminder, pinning makes sure no one misses out. And if you ever want to unpin a message, just repeat the same steps. Press the pinned message, tap More, and then select Unpin. So, next time you have something important to share in your Messenger group, give pinning a try. It's quick, easy, and ensures your message gets the attention it deserves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tips to make your Messenger experience even better.